Morning, travelers. Well, it's the next day. Figured I'd give you guys a surprise. I try to get capturing the sunrise coming up this morning. A little early. I'm definitely half asleep. Went to bed at like 10 o'clock, but yeah, just definitely. I got my drone too, so we'll see how that works. But look at this view. It's very stunning this morning. Nobody out here, peaceful. And it's actually not too bad temperature-wise out here this morning. And show you guys sunrise. Well, we're headed out to go get some breakfast finally here on day 3 of our trip.
I locked us in.
I'm gonna go check out a place called Sunrise Cafe and Bakery here in Panama City Beach. It's not really anything known about it other than that the business is family owned, but other than that, they do have, they're known for breakfast as far as donuts and croissants. They have a European menu that changes out all the time. It's very dog friendly on their patio, and we'll see you guys when we get there. We'll show you.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue.
Well, travelers, we made it to our breakfast place called the Sunrise Cafe and Bakery. They said they're known for their breakfast, their donuts and croissants. As well as the summertime, they're well known for their gelato. Hello. How you guys doing?
We'll breakfast and lunch. And
all right.
I'll be hot or cold.
All right.
Pastries in our cooler. So if you have questions, you just let us know, okay?
Sounds good.
And we also have a European menu here.
Right.
Different options if you're interested in that.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, are we on camera?
Yes, yeah.
Oh.
For the Traveling Irishman. We have a YouTube channel and stuff.
Oh, cool.
What's your name, by the way?
My name is Marette.
Marette?
Yeah.
I'm Josh. This is Connie.
Connie, nice to meet you. This is Olga.
We're the Traveling Irishman, the traveling duo.
Welcome. We love it.
All right.
It's a good thing I did my hair.
Yeah, it's good. All right. So what kind of donuts you guys known for? What's the cream of the crop here?
We do donuts here, but we do so many other pastries. We don't make a ton, but we're really the baked fried glazed croissants very popular.
Yeah.
We've already had our donuts kind of taped over for this morning.
Okay.
But maple bacon, believe it or not, is very popular.
So we got what they're known for, like more so, they're fried and glazed croissant here, as you can see. And then Traveling Duo got their key lime pie, no surprise.
We're in Florida.
We're in Florida.
We have to get key lime pie.
Key lime pie. So I'm gonna let the Traveling Duo give you the official grading. If it's good, great. Key lime pie is like her specialty, that's her thing. And then donuts. So I'll leave it to her and let you guys know how it is.
Well, everything else came, but let's dig into the croissant. Pretty good. Pretty good. Glaze is good. Not too sweet. A little warm. She warmed it up for a few seconds. Says that's how she likes to eat it. But so far, some goodness. Definitely recommend the croissant. That's really good. Really good key lime pie. I've had a lot of key lime pie, and this is a good one. Not too sweet, not too limey. Very good. I also got mint chocolate mocha. I got hot because I'm always cold.
I got the mint chocolate frap because I like cold coffee. I'm not a hot coffee guy.
Pretty good.
And then I got the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant with cheddar cheese on it. That's how this is.
Good.
Oh, really good.
Looks good.
One bite?
Yeah.
Really good food.
Really good. I really like this place. You said it's been around 2 years starting April? So
What she said, yeah.
I would definitely come back here.
Well, they have really good baked goods. So let's see what all this hype about this
Fried.
fried and glazed croissant is that I cannot cut open here.
Hold on. Traveling Duo to the rescue. There you go.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I liked it.
You know, reminds me when we go to the fair.
Yeah.
I feel like a fair food kind of thing. Definitely for sure. You get like a deep fried Krispy Kreme donut or something at the OC Fair. So this is my mocha mint frap. Really good. The place is really awesome. I definitely recommend it. Like it's a great service. And if you guys ever find yourself doing great, yeah. Always checking on us.
Great service.
Great service. Great view. So if you guys ever find yourselves out here in Panama City Beach, want somewhere for breakfast or even somewhere for ice cream or dessert, or any time of the day, obviously, especially these hot summer days in Florida, definitely come check out this place. Support the local business. So, apparently, the Traveling Duo has a fixation, we had to tell you guys, with grocery stores.
I love grocery stores.
In different states, different countries.
I love going into the grocery
She loves going into different ones.
because you can see all the local foods and brands and sometimes stuff we can't get at home. And they're always great to find souvenirs at too, because I love edible souvenirs.
Like,
So,
AKA what?
candy.
Sour candy, right?
We're going to look at the candy section.
All right, well, there's the inside. Yep.
We've gotten a basket.
I don't think so. Unless you're buying 10,000 pounds of candy, I don't think we need a basket. Well, looks like Traveling Duo has found her candy. I think it's the seasonal section. Let's got the peeps. You want a peep, babe? No peeps, huh?
Oh, see, I wanted to try these. Key lime pie, but I don't want that big of a bag.
Why?
Because it's too much.
You, a candy person, why not?
Because what if I don't like them? I want a little bag.
Apparently she doesn't want a big old candy bag of what she loves the most.
Candy, but I don't want too much candy.
What are you going to do with her, huh? So, note to self, at least at this location, the Panama City Beach. This is like their candy section. Nonetheless, the Traveling Duo was not impressed. Well, travelers, that completes our experience here at Winn Dixie. Traveling Duo, not too thrilled about it, I guess. Her experience.
No. It's a D at the grocery store.
Well, at least for this location.
This
anyway.
location.
You like the one in Sacramento, though, right?
The one in Sacramento had more stuff.
All right. Hey there, travelers, Traveling Irishman here. Today we're over at the M.B.MillerPier here in Bay County, Panama City Beach, Florida. And we wanted to give you guys a tour of just something else to do while you guys are here and to check it out. It is a $3 per person charge to walk on the pier. I guess just county's got to make their money, I guess. However, we're going to go check it out and give you guys a review and show you all the sights. She has no idea I'm recording her, but basking in the sun, spraying herself with lovely sunscreen. She can't see me at all. Hilarious. Well, this is our setup for the day. We got a chair and umbrella. So we found out today that that little stand over there is totally separate from the hotel, even though all this stuff looks the same. It's $20 for the day until 4 o'clock. 2 chairs and umbrella. Alright guys, well if you can hear me, I don't have any wireless speakerphone on me at all, but I'm going to go in the water here with the GoPro. I didn't do that yesterday at all. See how that goes. Water's not too bad today. You can see it's pretty clear. Definitely pretty awesome. I'm going to try to tempt her to get into the water. Let's see how this goes. I didn't think the water was all that bad, so we'll see.
I'll be the judge of that.
Really?
Cold.
You're not even in it for like 2 seconds. Come on. Come on, get in there.
Not warm enough.
I probably get her feet wet here. Are you kidding me? Freezing water. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this. I'm standing in the water. Like, this water's perfect. It's so much. It is so much warmer today than it was yesterday. So much warmer. It is awesome. Totally awesome. Love it. I think what it is, is I got her spoiled of us traveling to the Caribbean. That's what it is. That's, she won't even get into the Pacific Ocean by our houses at all. Really?
Cold.
Too cold? Oh my God. I don't know what to say, but other than that, I'm gonna go enjoy it and see you guys back. We're here for dinner at the Runaway Island Beach Bar and Grill. As I said before, we were leaving. It's known for their beautiful sunsets and their food because they have a second story bar area here, restaurant bar area, beach bar and grill. But it smells really good from the outside. There's
Sure does.
not a lot of parking, but there is, I think, an additional parking across the street for them. It's literally right on the water. As you can see, the sun's getting ready to set here in a little bit. We have reservations here. Well, travelers, we have found our table here. Perfect viewing of the sunset. From what I saw in videos I watched, this place is known for what's called the Runaway tacos, which is a blackened fish on crunchy slaw toppled with remoulade and mixed cheese and pico de gallo.
We have snapper tacos on special.
Oh, and one of my personal favorites, the snapper tacos.
Blackened snapper taco with avocado aioli, shredded jack cheese, pico, and served with fries.
I think that's what we're gonna get. Well, travelers, my beer is here. And then you got the red snapper.
No, that's the Runaway taco.
These are Runaway tacos. What's this? Blackened fish. Who wants leaking on the table? This is the red snapper. Huh? That snapper's pretty good. Blackened fish. It's got like chipotle sauce on it. Cheddar cheese. Got a lot of kick on this one. More of the chipotle sauce.
I think it's the Runaway one.
The Runaway taco. This was the red snapper one. A little messy, but good. Definitely recommend this place. Good food. Servers are good. Good service.
Great view.
Great view. Definitely come here just before sunset. Hello there, travelers. Traveling Irishman here in Panama City Beach. We're at the Pier Park Pavilion, and tonight for dessert we're trying a place called The Yard. we were saying before, it's known for like their crazy milkshakes, absurd amount of volume that they give us. And so we'll be checking it out and giving a review of how the food is. So what kind of, when did we get there, my dear?
We got the peanut butter brownie.
Peanut butter brownie. Which is kind of funny is I just saw they have key lime, but she missed out, I guess. But this is supposed to be actually the #1 thing that people order here when they go here. Cool fun facts about this place that I just found out from the cashier help lady. I don't know. So bad with things.
Our ice cream scooper.
Our ice cream scooper. There we go. Anyway, she said that this was Mark Cuban from Shark Tank actually invested in this place, and the owners live in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and it was on season 11. So they're definitely expanding. They're building another one here in Destin, which is just shortly, not too far from here. And all right, this thing is so big, and we got the small size actually here. It's like a not hard, but like a creamy.
Good ice cream.
Good ice cream. Comes with this brownie here.
Whipped cream's good. It's got peanut butter drizzle on there.
This place is crazy.
Brownie's good.
Brownie. I mean, look at this thing.
Chocolate along the side of the jar too. I think it's peanut butter and chocolate.
As you saw in the shop before,
That's good.
we have all different sizes. And
Peanut butter's really good.
we got the smallest one here, as I was saying before.
And we're sharing.
Definitely good. I definitely recommend it. Good friendly staff here. So apparently you can do a washing station with this place. I must have missed that on any reviews. But I guess it's kind of the whole atmosphere thing of taking in as opposed to yard. That's where we're at here. There's the traveling duo washing out our milkshake glass.
Like at home.
What'd you think of our nice refreshing dessert? Was it nice top off of our dinner?
It was good.
For an
It was
evening?
a lot. We didn't eat all of it. I ate most of the ice cream
As usual.
because I love ice cream too. I love sweets.
Yeah.
But the glass is a little hard to wash.
Oh yeah, a lot of creamy peanut butter on that stuff though too. So.
And I can't get my hand in the jar to clean it really good, so
Yeah. Well,
I did my best.
here's a better look at the Ferris wheel with the thing in the middle. I don't know what it's called, but it's really, really cool. But with it, if you're here in Panama City Beach, definitely check the nighttime out. There's a little train that we didn't get to see yesterday. It's going along with the little lights on it and stuff. Here's the little train I was telling you about. So if you got your kids with you in Panama City Beach, it looks pretty neat. If I had kids, I definitely would for sure get them on there. Cool music. Definitely pretty cool. See you guys on the next episode.